Nation. Woo! Let's get this thing moving right here. It's another chilly day right here in Franklin, Tennessee, baby. It's like 49 degrees outside. I didn't wear my chaps, and I just have on jeans, no thermals underneath. My knees are cold. I've got a few errands to run today. I've got to run to the chiropractor, get a little adjustment. After that, I've got to run up to Moonshine Harley Davidson. They're doing the virtual release party today, so I was invited to come up there and watch it. Now, I don't know if I can film any of that, so I may not be able to film any of it. I don't know what the rules are on that. So if I can, once I get there, I'll tell you that I'll show you, obviously. But if I can't, then I'll just tell you how it was. All right. So for some reason today, I could not find my second camera mount. I had the GoPro, but I could not find the mount that faces back at me. These are the issues that you have when you have a 4-year-old little boy that thinks everything that you do is cool and wants to do the stuff that you do. So he'll grab my stuff and he'll play with it. He's not the best at putting things back where he got them from. I'm still working on that with him. So I went to look for my little camera mount. I found the claw where he took it off. I'm sure it's probably in his room somewhere. I don't know if you remember the story I told you guys about missing one of these gloves for almost 2 months. And I found it under his bed. I'll be able to go in here to the chiropractor. I've been having a little neck issue. And it's from an old professional wrestling injury. You know, the fake stuff. It flares up every now and then, but man, it feels like he's just about got it corrected. So hopefully we'll see today. See if I can't get a little neck adjustment right here in good old Elite Chiropractic and Wellness Centers. Oh my gosh, so that was amazing. I feel completely amazing right now. So let me put my helmet back on. Let's roll up to Moonshine. All right, let's get this bad boy rolling. See if we can make the light. I don't know if I would call that making the light. Yeah, sure. I mean, it was yellow when I went under it, and I was using caution, so I'm good. Oh man, I tell you what, when he does the neck adjustment on me, it makes an awful sound, but it feels fantastic. All right, let's get into Moonshine and see what is going on.
Here we launched an iconic new collection.
So I'm watching basically the same thing that you guys are able to see. I'm at Rob's desk right here, and I just put it on pause because I don't want any copyright stuff to pop up. But so what I'm watching is what you guys are able to watch. So I'm going to get back to it.
Marrying the best of Harley Davidson innovation.
Okay, so I basically watched exactly what you guys can watch on Harley Davidson's website. Now I've got to get back to work. But I've got to get back to my income producing job. That was weird sounding right there. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting to zip up my jacket, and it is cold out here. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching today's episode. If you have not already, please hit that like button. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you like this kind of motorcycle content, I do all sorts of things motorcycle related. First impression rides, stuff with the local haul chapter here that I belong to in Franklin, Tennessee. I hear somebody's horn going off. Oh, it's right there. And I do a lot of stuff with Moonshine Harley Davidson. The guys up there, the owner Jamie up there, lets me do a lot of stuff, and it's truly appreciative, so I can bring some motorcycle content and some new stuff to you guys. Remember, everyone, life doesn't make you happy, happiness makes your life. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.